When we are buying the cone like that, we're gonna make it safe. Let's do it and let's try it. Hi guys, when we are buying cone like that, same we're gonna make it. Can we make it? Yes. So we have glass, spoon, butter and cone and pepper powder, lemon, salt and chili powder. So first we must put chili powder. So now we're gonna just put this one, pepper powder. That's it. Now we just had to put the salt. Now we need the lemon. Now we'll add the corn. So it's enough corn. Now we'll just add little bit butter. Just one eat. So let us melt. We'll just mix it well. So now we say this under. We have to take from under and put it up. Then it will be nice tasty. And like when we are buying the cone, like same. So we have mixed it. Now it's ready. So good. Now let's try it. Like same we are buying. I made like same like that. Tasty. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.